I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you've noticed an unauthorized charge on your HSBC account, disputing it can feel overwhelming. Here is a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Review your statement. Check your recent bank statement for the charge in question. Make sure it is truly unauthorized and not a transaction you forgot about. Step 2. Gather documentation. Collect any relevant information such as receipts or emails that support your claim. This will help when you explain your situation to customer service. Step 3. Contact HSBC customer service. Call the customer service number on the back of your card or log into your online banking to initiate a chat. Explain the situation clearly and provide them with the details of the unauthorized charge. Step 4. Follow up with a written dispute. If the issue isn't resolved over the phone, send a written dispute to HSBC. Include your account details, the charge in question, and any supporting documentation. Step 5. Monitor your account. Keep an eye on your account for updates regarding your dispute. HSBC may take some time to investigate, so check back regularly and respond promptly if they need more information. Disputing an unauthorized charge can take some time, but following these steps will help you navigate the process more smoothly. Good luck, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.